Part two, pretty much, of the heater core video. Just showing the installation here. It took me maybe a minute or so. I just bent. See, it has these little guides here on the sides, and I just bent that one to get it out of the way. And there, it fits perfectly. You can see, hopefully see. It's meant to be at an angle like that. That's how the other one went in as well. So, oh yeah, and then since I just enlarged the holes there, put some paper or something in there. This is like body filler. This stuff here. It smelled like. As I'm cutting it, I'm being very careful not to breathe in the dust from this stuff here. It's not steel. It's some sort of plastic. Black plastic. I guess it used to be called Bakelite or something like that. But anyways, it's like one day I'd like to get one of these. I'd love to make one in stainless or maybe just steel. But remember, I hate plastic. But in this case, it was just very easy to cut that. I just used this old knife I had laying around here.